and the gold is still rising and already hit our take profit level, but sadly again hasn't been triggered. As you can see right now, the gold has reversed exactly from 2670. We are witnessing history being written in front of our eyes. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. And welcome on this extended deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. My name is Salah speaking. Now, of course, as we can see, again, the gold is making history, but right now I believe it's the turning point where the gold is actually finally going to be good to be shorted. Now, the gold, actually, I would like first of all to delete the old signal, and let's now see what we can do next with this pair. So as you can see, the gold again hit 2670 and reversed right from there. But the question is, why did it reverse exactly from there? According to my strategy, we have to find the last pulse before the bullish breakout structure happened. So right here is the last bullish breakout structure, and right now we have to focus on this pulse right here. So we have to look at this high and this low and check right now for the Fibonacci retracement. And what do you know? Check this out. The gold has actually reversed exactly at Fibonacci 261.8. Actually, I have videos on my channel explaining how we can actually apply Fibonacci 26.8. It's really working like magic. However, right now what we are seeing seems like actually the turning point to sell the gold, because the gold simply has actually been way overbought, and most likely right now the gold has actually to gain some liquidity, of course. So therefore we can expect right now from the gold to continue the fall, at least to reach the previous level of a resistance right here exactly at 2600. So again, our original buy level is going to be our next take profit level, and that means that we are looking for around 546 pips. Now, where exactly we can start shorting the pair? Now, of course, I would like to highlight something, that based on the 1 hour time frame, we have here these two candles. This pattern usually is actually confirming that the pair right now is getting ready for the bearish fall. Actually, if you see this pattern on a resistance level, it means that the market has been actually way overbought, and most likely right now is gonna continue the fall. Before we continue, I would like to show you examples, if I'm lucky enough to find one. We have, for example, we have here this example. As we can see, after the appearance of that level of these two fake breakout candles, the market actually kept falling down to another 300 pips. Again, remember, I'm actually right now on the 1 hour time frame. If you would like to apply it on the daily chart, is it still valid? Let me just try to find another example on the daily chart. We can see right here exactly this candle right here, this pattern, and right after this appearance, the gold kept falling to another 700 pips. And for the last example, if I'm again lucky enough, we can see right here exactly, right here we can see one. I think where else we can see? I mean, I'm trying my best to show you example to prove my point here, and hopefully it's gonna be oh my god, this one, look at this right here. Of course, we have the same pattern. After the appearance of these two candles, the two fake breakouts, the gold kept falling like there is no tomorrow. So again, from the perspective of a price action, since actually we have no data to rely on, since the gold actually is right now making history and rising to prices that we have never witnessed before, we must likely have to consider that the gold right now most likely will actually obey this structure, or actually this rule, and hopefully it will continue the fall. Now the question is, where exactly is the best level to short the gold? Let me just tell you something. What we are seeing right here is simply a real level of a resistance right here exactly at 2662, and right here a fake breakout. So the best level to sell the gold again will most likely be right here exactly if the gold rises again to reach the same level of a real resistance, and that's going to be good news. You know why? Because we will end up with head and shoulders. And if the market creates head and shoulders on the gold, that's going to be great news. It's going to be like a final confirmation that the gold indeed going to be good to be shorted exactly right here. And we actually going to be targeting, as I said earlier, the nearest level of a key resistance. But that's just to have a realistic signal and to make sure it's going to be safe to everybody, I'm going to choose this level of the support at 2622 as of my take profit level. So hopefully it's going to be achievable take profit level, aiming around 400 pips of profit, and a safe zone that actually, let me just show you something right now. How we can actually decide our safe zone, because again, we don't have any data to rely on. Again, we will apply the same method of the Fibonacci. So we have here, of course, the last structure before the bullish breakout happened. So what we can do right now is simply draw here a Fibonacci retracement right from this high to this low. Now, as you can see, check this out. So right here exactly is going to be 261.8, and our safe zone should actually be ranging much, I mean, no need to make it so big like that. I mean, our safe zone can be ranging just a little bit below 261.8, because if actually we are relying on this price action, right? So if the gold will ever be able to reach that level, then it means that this signal is no longer valid, because the market just didn't respect this price action. So therefore, our safe zone will be ranging for around 188 pips only against 400 pips of profit. Let me now please write this signal for you. And there goes our next deal, my friends, on the gold. And again, my friends, I would like to remind you that nobody knows how the gold is going to be moving right now. We are just doing the best we can to analyze it, and we are hoping for the best. But again, don't forget to join Xtreme Trader group on Telegram to receive any kinds of updates about this signal. If I notice any price action going against our direction, I will update you personally right here on my Telegram. And this channel is free to join. You can just simply look it up, Xtreme Trader Signals, and make sure to write the name correctly, because there are at least 13 scammers pretending to be Xtreme Trader using our name and logo to fool their victims. Also, to make it shorter and easier for you, you can just simply check the description below of this video to find the link to join instantly for this group. So again, my friends, be careful, and remember, no one knows how the gold is going to be moving in the upcoming days. We are just again doing the best we can. So if this signal has failed, then remember, it is subjective to be failed, because again, we are not sure what's going to happen next with the gold. And this is really the ugliest side of this pair, that right now is reaching historical levels, and no one knows exactly where it's going to go to, where exactly it's going to be going to. So until then, my friends, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.